Gali Patakha recipe. That's Nathia Gali's Pakistan famous chicken roast, Patakha chicken. So let's get started. So I have one small chicken, dipped it in the water with half cup vinegar for half an hour. Here I have 6 tablespoons red chili flakes. I have 2 teaspoons salt, 1/4 cup lemon juice, and also 6 cloves chopped garlic. So simply I'm gonna marinate this. So this one is 6 tablespoons red chili flakes along with my 6 cloves chopped garlic. Guys, I marinate this, and now we need to marinate this chicken for at least 2 to 4 hours or overnight. Now we're gonna make a sauce for the chicken. So here I'm taking half a bunch of mint leaves, cilantro or coriander leaves, and I have 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and this one is 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon red pepper. I'm gonna chop, you can take cucumber and chop that. I have 1 lemon juice and 1 cup of yogurt. Simply I'm gonna add this mixture in my yogurt. It's gonna be so delicious chutney. Alright, so our delicious chutney is ready. Or we can say our delicious Patakha chutney is ready. Oil if you want to fry your chicken in oil, but I'm gonna use my 1 cup ghee as well for the taste. Usually in the restaurant they always fry their stuff in the clarified butter, so the dish gonna be more tastier. Now my oil and a ghee, it's warm it up. Now I'm gonna add my chicken in. So I used half cup oil and 1 cup ghee, which is clarified butter. And I'm gonna cook my chicken on medium to high flame. ये देखें जो बीच में जो ये आपको निकाल लेना. You need to take out the red flakes, otherwise it will burn. I'm gonna take it out. So I cook my chicken 7 to 8 minutes each side, and now it's ready. So I'm gonna dish it out. Delicious Patakha chicken is ready. Please enjoy this recipe with your friends and family. I served Patakha chicken with chili flakes and Caesar salad. And it's with the special chutney. Please take care of yourself. If you like my video, please thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.